good.
What will Josie make of the UK's newest roller coaster at Chessington's World of Jumanji? She's about to strap herself in and give it a go. How are you feeling?
Well, the nerves are actually getting to me now, Phil, Holly. They really are. Not only is it a brand new ride, I am the guinea pig. So this is not even open to the general public yet. It opens next Monday. So I am the total guinea pig for this ride. 42 miles an hour. It goes forward, backwards and upside down. And the creator of this incredible ride, where you step into the world of Jumanji, is John. Hello, John. All right. Now, I grew up watching Jumanji. I love the film. Was it special to you, Jumanji? Did you grow up watching it as well?
I did. It's one of my favourite films, and it's all built around the brand new films that we've been growing in here.
Oh, I mean, it looks absolutely insane. But what is a mandrill?
A mandrill's a monkey, so they're based on the scenes where The Rock, who plays John Burton, is chased by the mandrill monkeys, and you're scooped up in the arms on this roller coaster, just like that scene.
And do you know what? I love your backstory. Could you just tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. So I actually started off as a costume character at a Sea Life Centre, and now I've worked my way up, and I'm designing roller coasters, which is every kid's dream job.
How amazing is that? You're designing these roller coasters for all these families. Incredible. I love it when you start from the bottom and get right up to the top. Now, what can I expect?
So, as you said, this is the world's only Jumanji-themed roller coaster. You can go upside down, launching. It's a wing coaster, there's no track above you or below you. It's super thrilling.
Okay. And when you get to the top, is there a certain ritual you've got to do? Because I know in Jumanji they like to roll the dice.
Yeah, you've got to shout Jumanji at the top of your voice to complete this challenge.
Okay, Jumanji at the top of my voice to complete the challenge. Good luck. Wish me luck. Come on, guys. I'm about to ride the brand new Mandrill Mayhem at Chessington World of Adventures. I'm going to strap myself in. There we go. Woo! You ready?
All good.
42 miles an hour. Frontwards, backwards, upside down. There we go. Woo! Wish me luck. I've got to remember to say Jumanji at the top, okay? I'm going to try not to scream. In fact, I might do one of those flat faces and just be like this the whole way round.
You won't.
No chance. Right, here we go. Good luck. Here we go. Thank you, Phil. Thank you, Holly.
Oh, backwards. Oh my God.
That's a bit early to shout Jumanji, I think, isn't it?
She wasn't at the top.
I'm glad she took her this morning carb with her.
I like it when your legs dangle off the roller coaster as well. It feels like you're flying.
There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It stopped.
Shout Jumanji!
Jumanji! Jumanji!
Jumanji!
Oh no!
Right, we've got to negotiate the contract price.
Is she going backwards now?
Right.
Oh my
That looks
God, this is
amazing.
Because I just had it.
Is she upside down?
Oh, it freezes as well. That's clever, isn't it? Oh, wow.
That looks amazing.
This anymore.
That was
That's it.
She's not going again, is she?
The contract will be negotiated. That's it.
I thought they were going to fire her off again.
Wow.
She can't get out.
Well done.
It is good.
You did it. Was it good though, actually?
Thank you.
Josie, was it good?
Thank you. And I just want to confirm. It was good, yeah. And I didn't swear then. I didn't swear.
Yeah, brilliant. And that is the most extreme conditions that anyone has held the cue card. Well done.
Thank you. Oh!
See you later, gorgeous. Thank you.
42 miles an hour.
Well done.
The tummy's going. Thank you. Thank you
Well
very
done,
much.
you.
See you soon. Bye now.